Hello folks, this is Sue Bell from Network Empire, and today I'm going to show you a few of the ideas around Kraken. The first thing, the thing that I think most people are asking about, is how do you use the lead gen widget? So when you're logged into Kraken, you come up here to the menu in the upper right hand corner, and the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to come here to the agency profile and you're going to fill this out. Your company's name, the website, phone number, contact phone numbers, email address. This is where you're going to get notified that somebody has submitted a request. So you're going to want that to be an email that you check or that your team checks so that your requests can be processed in a timely manner. And then last of all, you have the image for your logo, and that allows all of this information allows the reports to be branded with your stuff on it, your business information on it. So you enter all that, you hit the update button, and then that'll store it in the software for when it gets used. So then the next thing that you're going to want to do is grab the actual form and stick it on your website. So here we come to report requests, where this is the same place where you'll come when you've had people request put in requests that you're going to want to run. You can see that I've got a variety of them here in different stages. But the interesting part here that we're going to look at today is show the HTML snippet and then show the sample form. The sample form, this is what it's going to look like, or what it can look like on your website. And the HTML option is going to actually give you the code snippet. Now this is important because it's actually got your agency ID number in here, and that's what makes it run in your account without having to expose your account username and password. So you can just grab all of this, let's just grab the form, come in here and copy this like that, hit a Control-C, and now I can go stick it in my blog, which I haven't actually opened, so let me go open that. Hang on. Alright, so this is what I've got on my blog right at the moment. Very bare bones, sidebar widget area. This is Genesis. If I come over here to manage themes, I've got the dynamic child theme for Genesis. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to widgets, and I'm going to find that primary sidebar. And it looks like we've already got some stuff in here. Let me just look at this. So let me just add a new text widget on the top. I don't know what else I've got and why it's not showing up, but let's just pop this in up here. We're going to title this Kraken Lead Gen. And then in the content, I'm going to paste what I copied before, and I'm going to hit the save button. And then we're going to see what that does. Primary sidebar widget. Alright, so that creates a little widget like this. You can add style to that widget and have it look a little bit prettier, but that's the basic idea, and that is fully functional at this point. So if you're good with that, it's all good. If you want to play with some style sheet stuff, we'll have some more information about that in a little bit. Alright, so that's the basis of the widget. So now let me walk you through what happens. Let me just put a new one in. I'm going to say Sally Tester. I'm going to say that my email address is sally@testme.com. My keyword or my market, this is going to be something like bicycle repair. My website is going to be www.bicyclerepair.com, United States, and I'm going to request this report. Alright, so that should take a couple of minutes, and then I should get an email, and we'll go back inside the widget area and I'll show you what's going on there in just a second. Alright, so for starters, I got an email that looks like this. I have a new prospect, Sally Tester, all the information that I put in, and I can view all of my report requests. Now if I click on this, it's going to take me back to, where was Krakken? Back to this screen right here. So if I refresh this screen, up at the top you can see that I've got Sally Tester. And so now the next thing that I would do, if I want to run this report for Sally, I click the Run Report button, and it's going to go do a complete drill on bicycle repair. Then it's going to prompt me, it'll tell me when it's done running, and it'll walk me through the next steps that I need to do, which is going to be, once I've run the report, I choose the keywords. So let's just go ahead and not wait for this drill to finish drilling. Let's just look at choosing keywords here. I don't remember what state this is in. So keywords for SEO, I would just come down here and I would pick 3 keywords that seem like they would be appropriate. I can go, let me just come back here for a second. Since I've got her website, I can go check out her website and I can see what that website is about. And I've never been to this website before, so yeah, it's not a real website. But you can go and you can take a quick look at what the main themes are on her site and see what's going on there, so that then when it comes time to actually choose the keywords, you can choose keywords that are going to be meaningful to her based off of her website. So for SEO, we might say, obviously, website design, not the best one. Internet marketing might be a good one. Search engine optimization, obviously, is a synonym. And maybe SEO company, or perhaps SEO services rather than internet marketing, since that's a bit broad. So I can pick 3 like that, and then I can hit the update button, and then it creates the report for me based off of those 3 ideas. So if I find that again, SEO, I can run the report, and then it should, oh, it was actually this one. Now I can notify the prospect. Sorry. Alright, so here I can actually tweak out the body of the email that's going to be sent back to the prospect, and I can send it with a return receipt so that I'm notified as soon as the prospect views the report. So if I click that, then I get another email saying that the prospect viewed the report, and that means I can pick up the phone and give them a call. I can get the phone or the contact information off of their website probably, so that it's if you ask for that information when you're doing the lead gen capture form, it could inhibit their they're actually filling out the form, but you should be able to go and grab a contact method off of their website, and if not, then you can just email them a follow-up. Alright, so that is the lead gen widget, the way that we currently have it set up. You're going to want to run the whole thing once yourself so that you can see the whole process and get familiar with it, and so that you can look at the report. And let me just hit send notification, and then we can view this report. So you can take a look at this report and you can see what it is that your prospective client is going to see, but at the same time you can come back here and you can look at that drill that got run, which I may well have deleted. No, I guess I haven't deleted it because I went ahead and ran it. It does come up and tell you pretty explicitly here, report SEO, Canada, Germany. It's probably going to be one of those 2. And quite possibly this one. It looks like a better drill than the other one. So I can come in here and I can take a look at the entire keywords. I can take a look at the competitive analysis. Let me just go into the actual theme itself. And I can look at the competitive analysis and the market analysis, and I can see how tough this market is. Obviously, SEO is not going to be a super simple market. I can see who owns the vast majority of the keywords in this drill, and obviously I can adjust this drill if I need to. I can remove some keywords that truly don't belong if they're skewing the results. I can do that. I can even remove those before I send the report. All right, now let's just take a real quick look at what the report comes back with. I get domains by organic rank value, and that's why I said if I want to delete something, then you can clean that up before you even create the report. But honestly, I think if Wikipedia owns the majority of the market share of the keywords that you chose, I think that's an important piece of information. You get to see the competitive analysis, you get to see the top keywords, you get to see the trending for those keywords, and then it talks to your client, your prospective client, about how you can increase your market share and prompts them to contact. So, and this is, I believe, the little blurb that we could have changed up if we had wanted to. And so obviously, when you go to change that up, you can actually personalize that based off of their market, their keywords, and that kind of thing. So, all right, that's the ins and the outs of how to use the widget. And feel free to give us some feedback. This is beta at this point, and we're looking for ways to really make this a kick-ass thing. All right, thanks, guys. Sue Bell from Network Empire.